G'day guys. Now, I'm going to try and explain this super simply. So you open your Cricut page, you select the shape you want to use. I chose a star. That's from the sidebar. Now, I'm enlarging it so you can see what I'm doing. Then I click on the offset button up the top, the icon. Now, on that, you can see there's a slide bar. On that slide bar, you can go negative or you can go positive. So if you go positive, it gives you an outlining, which I'm showing you there. Or, see, I'm just showing you, I'm moving it around so you can see what I'm doing. Right, so now I'm actually going to do it. So I actually, because I'm making a shaker pocket, I actually want that to be inside my star. So it is no bigger than my star. So I go on the negative. Then what I have to decide is, do I want it to be pointy? Because it's a pointy star, I click on the square. So my corners are pointy. Then I click apply. Once I've applied it, then I've got two stars basically laying on top of each other. Then what I do is click on slice. It's down the bottom. When you slice that, yep, that's right. Yeah. When you click slice, that then gives you that thin the thin star. So now what I'll do is separate it so you can see what I'm talking about. You've got the black and the grey. They are both the same size. All these stars lay on top of each other. But there's your hollow star that you're going to back with clear acetate and then add your foam tape to create your shaker pocket. Now, I've left the rest of this on here so I can hopefully not ramble, but so you can understand. So that's the whole process. And then you simply click continue. You can move these around, these stars. Once you've got to this point, you can move the stars around to fit them onto your 12-inch mat and cut them. Not a problem at all. Then, so basically that's how you can do that with any shape. Any shape that's there. There's so many shapes there. You literally can cut them, whether they're circles, stars, hearts, any of that, and you use the offset button to do your outline or your inner line. And it's that simple, guys. So I hope I explained that well enough for you. And if I did, please leave me a like or a comment. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to know anything else, let me know. Thanks very much. Bye.